Have you got airbags on your car that you want to monitor? Well, with the TPMS Connect app by Saver, you can easily do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video to add airbags to your towing setup. So you grab the 2-pack from Safety Sam. Let me show you how easy it is to set up a new profile. So you can see already in the app, I've got the car set up and the van. Now I want to add airbags. So we're going to go to that top, hit the plus button, and we're going to choose airbags. Continue. Now, on the car, we've got 2 airbags. Right. In your pack, you've got this card with the QR code, and I'm going to use the scan QR code section here. I'll show you how easy this is. So we do that, scan that QR code, just like that. Those 2 sensors are now paired. There we go. There's the sensor codes for each of those sensors. Go to the dashboard, and you can see now that we've got the car, we've got the van, and we've got the airbags all being monitored. 8 wheels and 2 airbags being monitored at once. If we decide to unhitch, we can simply make the caravan inactive. If we're not going to use those airbags because we've unhitched, we can also make that inactive as well. And you can see now, if we go back to the dashboard, we're now only monitoring the car for when we're driving, that normal day-to-day driving for when we're unhitched. Hitch up again, add the caravan, add the airbags, and now there we go. That's how simple the TPMS Connect app by Saver really is.